welcome back to Nadia and Amani channel. So today we have another surprise.
Yay!
Let's open it.
What's inside?
A t-shirt and an oven. It's a very oven. Wow! So inside the box there was a kettle, a toaster and a microwave.
Wow! Is it a microwave by Casdon?
Yeah.
Is it a Morphy Richards brand?
Yeah.
Yay! And what else has it come with?
Toast.
Toast as well. Press the start button, Amani. Whoa! Press that button. Now press the door button. Put something in there. That's not gonna fit in there. You want to put this in there? Yeah. Put that in
That
there.
sounds right.
Press the start button. Fries. Defrost. Potato, look, potato. Pasta. Have you put egg in there?
Yeah, now it's dried up. Let's put this in there today.
You want to put some chicken in there?
There's no chicken today.
Are you putting toast in there?
Yeah, we're going to put some salt. Turn it off.
Is it finished? Yay!
Let's put some stuff inside today. We're going to put something inside. Let's get some food and inside. And we're going to put this here. Let's make some bread. So let's get some bread. Now I'm gonna warm the water. Here, that's your food.
Thank you.
It's getting hot.
One chef special for table 5.
Now let's make some tea. That's your food. And now let's put that on there.
Would you like to give Amani some tea?
Yes. Here's our tea, Amani. There we go. Let's put some water in there. Let's do it.
Compliments to the chef on table 3.
Yeah. Here, you have that tea.
Next up, right away.
Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.